Hey there, car lovers. Have you ever felt like your vehicle just isn't performing the way it used to? Rough starts, sluggish acceleration, weird noises, or that feeling your engine's just not as smooth as it once was? Don't worry. Today's video is going to solve that problem once and for all. I've rounded up the top 5 car oils and fluids that can transform your engine's performance, improve longevity, and keep your vehicle running like new. Whether you drive a daily commuter, a high-mileage truck, or even a marine engine, I've got something here for you. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I bring you the best auto care reviews and deals every week. And don't forget to check the links in the description below to grab these exact products at the best prices available on Amazon. Stick around till the end, because our #1 pick might surprise you. Starting off at number 5, we've got the Liqui Oil High Mileage Oil Stabilizer, a powerhouse for older engines and vehicles with high mileage. This oil stabilizer is specially formulated to reduce engine wear and increase oil life by up to 50%. It's compatible with both petroleum and synthetic motor oils, providing a thick protective film that eliminates dry starts and dramatically reduces friction, heat, and wear. The stabilizer also helps control blow-by in worn engines, improving compression and reducing oil consumption. What makes this product stand out is how versatile it is. It's ideal for older vehicles that burn oil or have lifter noise issues, but it also benefits newer engines by providing added protection under extreme heat or heavy loads. If you've got a high-mileage car, a diesel truck, or even a classic that's starting to show its age, this oil stabilizer can bring it back to life and keep it running smoothly. If there's one shortcoming, it's that it can slightly thicken the oil at very low temperatures, but given the protection it offers, that's a small trade-off. Overall, the Liqui Oil High Mileage Oil Stabilizer is absolutely worth it for keeping your engine in top condition. Coming in at number 4 is the Polaris All-Season Demand Drive Fluid, the perfect maintenance fluid for your Polaris ATV or UTV. This specially formulated fluid is designed for the front gear case and hubs of Polaris vehicles, providing superior lubrication and protection across a wide temperature range. It prevents corrosion, reduces friction, and ensures smooth, quiet operation even under extreme off-road conditions. The standout quality here is its genuine OEM formulation. It's engineered by Polaris for Polaris, meaning it delivers factory-level protection and performance. Riders who depend on their ATVs year-round will appreciate how it enhances driveline performance and prevents gear wear. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it product for owners who want reliability on every terrain and in every season. The only minor downside is that it's slightly pricier than generic alternatives, but the peace of mind and proven protection make it a clear winner. For Polaris owners, it's simply non-negotiable. At number 3, we have the Liqui Moly 2030 Pro Line Gasoline System Cleaner, a German-engineered fuel system cleaner that's all about precision and performance. This 500 ml cleaner effectively removes carbon deposits from injectors, valves, and the combustion chamber. It helps restore engine efficiency, improve throttle response, and lower emissions, all while increasing fuel economy. The formula is designed for direct use in the fuel tank and works for both naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines. The beauty of Liqui Moly's cleaner lies in its effectiveness. You'll notice smoother idling, better acceleration, and even improved fuel mileage after just one treatment. It's especially great for high-performance engines or cars that have been running on lower-quality fuel. Mechanics love it because it delivers professional results without requiring a shop visit. If there's one small drawback, it's that it's meant for gasoline engines only, not diesel. But for what it does, it's one of the best engine cleaners on the market and totally worth adding to your maintenance routine. At number 2, we have something every DIYer and mechanic should have in their garage, the Permatex 24125 Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant. This 8-ounce formula is designed to handle extreme temperatures from 60 degree up to 3000 degree, preventing seizing, corrosion, and brake noise. It's non-melting, non-corrosive, and safe for all metal and rubber brake components. What makes this lubricant special is its ceramic-fortified formula, which provides superior protection even under the most brutal braking conditions. Whether you're working on performance brakes or just want quieter operation, this lubricant ensures smooth, consistent braking performance. It's a go-to for anyone who hates squeaky brakes and wants long-lasting results. The only downside is that it can be a little messy to apply, but once it's on, you'll appreciate how well it performs. For reliability, durability, and peace of mind, the Permatex Ceramic Extreme Brake Lubricant delivers big. And taking the #1 spot is the Quicksilver by Mercury Marine 25W40 Marine Engine Oil, the ultimate protection for boat engines and marine applications. This premium oil is specifically formulated for marine engines, providing outstanding corrosion resistance, superior wear protection, and high viscosity stability even under the harshest marine conditions. It's designed to prevent rust and maintain consistent performance across a wide range of operating temperatures, making it perfect for both inboard and outboard engines. What sets Quicksilver apart is its trust and heritage. It's made by Mercury Marine, one of the most respected names in boating. This oil keeps engines running clean, powerful, and efficient, even during long periods of high RPM operation. It's perfect for boat owners who demand performance and dependability every time they hit the water. The only slight drawback is that it's a bit more expensive than regular automotive oil, but for marine engines, nothing compares. It's worth every penny for the longevity and peace of mind it delivers. And there you have it, the top 5 car oils and fluids that can truly extend the life of your vehicle and give you smoother, cleaner performance. Which one caught your attention the most? Drop a comment below and let me know what you think or what you've used before. Don't forget to check the links in the description to get the best deals on these products, and if you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your engine running strong.